If you want to be with you.
Baby.
Hey. My grandchild will say, your friends say, Nyan to was here. And then who is some your friends say, Apopanacho, Sapo Cruz, a brandy.
As well took one day if you have media, wouldn't you also want a bit?
No, don't go to money once.
Guys, I don't know me or Mr. Woodchia, and I may Mr. Woody.
When some Michelle, I said, you're me yelling. Michelle, then I'm a year, who said you're yelling. Now, what the mere pop? To say, Rose, I'm a plan, I'm a friend, and you could do so good for family. What's it?
They do promising me, sir.
How, my friend, I should that. So, on what is a me, I didn't be yayan. Baby, may I also make one?
With Judy, also, Yare, and
Baby,
also, Yare, and the because I'm good to buy zoning, baby. Some good holidays. Didn't you come from
Dubai? You need a bacon. You need a bacon.
Are you cool? Kasawae.
Yeah,
Are you cool?
Yeah,
Hey, Mimi ya pasiama. Mi busasa Mimi ya pasiama. Huh? Bon kompon ko hwechi. Baby e wo fra makofo ade aba. Then say etina me yen kwa wo se wo nko no. Huh?
because
Na se be nya de wo ho na ma me ye ma dwe se me be fa.
you be a woman that day.
meet on the boy.
You say,
Wo be me taso. Wo be me ta e prepaid ya na se. Mi busasa mi ta e prepaid ya na se.
Me cousin.
Ano e ye prepaid ya na se de yimano. Yimano katetie yimano. Kasa.
Wale.
Adies and the man kwanta ayira me. Huh?
Oh, you're my cousin.
Your cousin answer na be maso.
No means that. You see the company money behind. No, but check electricity.
Oh, but someone say, huh? What be a me come maka? Me, it's we are bread. Me go friend ya me maka. Inshallah.
Alhamdulillah.
What do you alhamdulillah? What do you alhamdulillah? Huh? And to be say me fra wajia. Oh, be say me fra wajia.
Madam, meet on the boy.
Abawanum. Me anabawanum. Abawanum kwasa. Twada ne me kasa. Wadi dia dem fe na ntwe hwa no. Wo ya no wo. Wo yale. Me yira na bobra. Me na bobra. Ati sa woni mi so di no. Huh?
Never told me.
Tira hwa.
Who quite young?
Tira ade ade ma yi ma no. Ade a wo de ma no yi ma no. Asa no wako. Yi ma no.
Hey, Obras me fa phone mo. I don't know why.
Tara.
Eti achiri.
You.
Eko.
Rachel.
People sasa. Masa wo tira.
It's written this. Man. No, it's written this. Rachel.
Waka. Kwa yo ba malia.
Young goody.
Me klasika. Ama ya waje ya.
Baba young goody.
Meme ya kuli.
Baba young goody.
Ama bravo. Ah, meme Tofik. Akwesi Tofik.
Young goody.
Regina ade. Ah, kasa na wo ti fo mu. Ah? Eh, ade.
Madam.
Ado wan kodum.
Madam Kubi ne besra me. Madam Kubi ba ha besra me. No so se wo ko meka. Nti me me se wo ko nti oba na me ne Madam Futi ha. Ye ti ha keke o. Enya hwi. Baba ba ya wo se me nfuna.
Regi. Bibi, mama na.
Na sana mi odi nkomo sa me ko maka. Na mpesa nka. O ma ye nyina ya de. Ya nko. Obey sit down.
It is not a focus in your home.
Ja. Na see me go to airport me ref me passport. Na me ba befa. Me ba ya be na biti ha. E na be tiri dan na so. Nempna.
It is swing. Ai, and let you be crazy upon Czech. Now what do you be as a chica crack?
The emphasis I can with it. Oh, Mr. Babbage in a hacker come out from my last. It's 1 year, dear wife. I got my chances. They will say 1 year, dear wife. And I mean, I would say 1 year, dear wife. Where would you end of the year? You may have me. Try to put your hand up. I would say, idea of being in a year. And yet, no, I'm not going down and coming out of me. Me tell to be a Sabon Sandia, Channel be as watching over to Adia. 48. Ah, what's this one from Mimati? Oh, didn't you? Our lay out by me, set won't pay me. What? It's a continuing at you. On power, on the channel. Case. On power, couldn't you? Power, hey, what was that to go to know? The one way, none around me, I'm was a Chiminia Dundee. What me alias me? Eddie was a Chiminia Dundee. What alias me? Not Chimotwassi. So I do so. I could crown that I could idea. A year what you have that. When you are beyond Quadam, so I patch it. I'm patching as any. I mean, so you want why are the other pay what talk? I say, what our crana? Why are there? Hey, Obey some of me could have me and me so one. Hey, one more as I trust. No, so much. So much. Randy. It Minia, I'll go for Randy for flower. What come on, say, maybe I will come. No, you don't wait when you dumb me. Walk up. Hey, you go. Ete. It are now so bad. Yes, and you go come out and say you could be cool and answer me. Here, Randy. I'm on Simon Cabimani or another Kasawae to me every fear. Baba Yankuri. Yaba Yankuri Kingji.
We have an important message for all of you, especially if you live in a country that is right now facing the new coronavirus. The pandemic is growing exponentially in many countries. But the Czech Republic is one of the few in Europe that has significantly slowed down the spread of the virus. In this video, we would like to tell you what we did differently, and mainly, we would like to help you to do the same. We are following social distancing and the rule stay at home. But others do that too. We also have strict hygienic procedures. Others do that as well. But the main difference is everyone who has to leave their house has to wear a face mask. Everyone. I know. They may be told you that masks wouldn't protect you, but there are studies proving that even a homemade mask can be partially protective. Partially. Any protection is essential today. But now the more important thing. Masks fundamentally prevent the transmission from you to others by sneezing, coughing, but also breathing. And many people are the most contagious before they start showing symptoms. So, when we both have a face mask, I protect you, you protect me, and we are both safe.
Based on recent data, we know that population-wide use of masks is essential for suppression of the outbreak.
According to our professional experience, a simple homemade mask can prevent up to 100% of the spread of potentially infected microdroplets.
The more people use masks, the less virus can be distributed and fewer individuals are exposed.
Just a few days ago, people were laughing at those who wore masks. But some people knew about this positive effect and started to share this information across social media. The message grew fast through artists, influencers, and others. I know, face masks aren't in stores, right? But something incredible happened. people started making homemade masks and giving them to others for free. Many companies, theaters, or even retirement houses changed their buildings into sewing rooms, and thousands of people started to sew masks at home. So we know that face masks work, and it has been repeatedly confirmed by scientists. We know that it is possible in just 3 days to provide face masks for 10 million people in one country. And we know that here we have fundamentally repressed the infection. Please share this knowledge and help us to change as many countries as possible. Take a picture with your face mask on and share it with the hashtag #MasksForAll. It can really save lives. And remember, I protect you, you protect me.
I recommend to all fellow ministers and governments to implement population-wide use of face masks, even homemade ones. Today we see that this was one of the most important decisions that we have made. And if it helped here, it can help anywhere.
Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, liking, and please don't forget to share. Thank you.
Hello viewers. And when you are back, do na dia mo me usuwa. Me come for Grandpa One TV na ma. Grandpa TV ba ko pe baby ani baby. Ebi ni baby. Ni ana maso mo say. Mon share, na mon subscribe. Mon share, na mon like my yen. Mamu amon ne baby amu bia UK 4, London 4, US 4. A chrono doors. Yes, there's a Sudan at the Sudan to me. Monsieur Grandpa One TV. Namon subscribe.
Ghana for, Metie for, me fancy for nyina na na eboa me biem.
Yo, I am Muhammad Desher Rastlin, aka
Hi, this is your girl Beneza Sari. Jama, as soon as Sophia, obey me, friend Hannah Johnson, and then I see me when I didn't know.
So, my catcher said, TV station, where who na ya boa or Nyan coupon who knew we are. Monsieur Radman, mammy, me didn't for Cabby or no young coupon, now no ya then, epoca. Na near Buamina Mini, and then my son back, Grandpa One TV.
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 The TV station Bakwa, a ream room in Yakopon de Amai. If you hadn't a opa, Unya, you would be a Ubinya.
A dear now person with was. A dear American now person the entertainment, football Honsen, singing Honsen, a dear bay, some person will need na a revoke Susu. Ma when you can be a some person will need edgy. Now who say yes when you are Blabomudia? We are check Grandpa One TV.
Say TV no, na near Buamijina Hemi hobby. Made my foot to stem near day, my boy Uraho. Ah, my boy Uraho. It's me fancy for when you now Fred Juma back. So what did you read? Nasa 1 million. But Modiana Tana Conium, Kawanaya day, Etoso. Bobra YouTube abontin so. Mrs. say, Bobra YouTube abontin so. Would you want also pay Grandpa One TV? Mrs. say, Grandpa One TV. Bobra Honoma, now we subscribe. We subscribe, we are now we share. But Modiana say, Mohon share more be a nyabi. Or tete pressure so. Miss me, Bam, say, but that's more pressure so. That's a broken heart and for 4 frames, some broken heart in a swat. What it? Obia boy and the press and you know swat. And TV papa also be near boy on Grandpa One TV.
Let's share, let's subscribe. Grandpa One TV.